Hello audience, myself Dr. Alok and here we will discuss about the amazing effect of the turmeric on oral cancer. Turmeric is a natural cancer killer. Natural cancer killer, it means it kills the cancerous cells, the tumor cells inside the body. Oral cancer is one of the usual cause of mortality all over the world with a 5-year survival rate of only 50%. Well-known treatments are the surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy and many more. Radiotherapy prior to the surgery and chemotherapy is a well-known treatment all over the world. Turmeric also used as a chemopreventive as well as chemotherapeutic agent. Curcumin is a hydrophobic polyphenol derived from the dietary spice turmeric plant, and it is a chemical compound which inhibit the tumor growth. When we search the curcumin and the oral cancer, there are a lot of papers, lot of articles are published all over the world. That is, number is 438 here. Turmeric is a traditional medicine and used from ancient time in India. It has an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property and appears able to reduce the risk of cancer. What is the mechanism behind the killing of cancer is curcumin inhibit the transcription factor as well as some nuclear factor and promote apoptosis, which is a natural phenomena of the death. Tumor cell destroyed by the above mechanism. When it is used, this is the big question. In case of the lower grade of cancer, it should be used. In the prevention from oral cancer, curcumin must be used. Lower grade of cancer, it means when it is in the stage 1 or stage 2, or there is a leukoplakia or the ulcer in the mouth. How it is used? In the cooked foods, we may use as a spices in the pulses as well as in the vegetables. It is boiled with the milk, and when it is boiled with the milk, its bioavailability increases, and it is useful to the human beings for various diseases, not only cancer but other diseases like the pains in the joints as well as the body pain and inflammation. Topical application in the cancer patient is very. We may use it as a mouthwash multiple times in a day. We just take a half spoon of the curcumin powder and dissolve in a cup of water and take a multiple mouthwash in the case of the cancer stage 1 or 2. Thank you. If you like that video, please thumbs up, and if you need more informative videos, please subscribe the channel.